In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Miro account. If you've decided it's time to part ways with Miro, don't worry. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, you need to log into your Miro account. Head over to Miro's website and sign in with your credentials. This step is crucial because accessing your account settings is necessary for account deletion. Make sure you're using the correct login details, as you'll need to be logged in throughout this process. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll find your profile icon, which often displays your avatar or initials. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this list, select Settings or Profile Settings. This is where Miro consolidates user account settings, so you'll need to be here to proceed with the next steps. Upon entering the Profile Settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. It's easy to miss, so be sure to scroll all the way down, as that's where Miro provides the option to delete your profile. Here you'll find the option labeled Delete My Profile. Click on Delete My Profile. Now this is an important action, as it will initiate the account deletion process. Once you click it, Miro will send an email to the address associated with your account. This is a safety measure to ensure that the account owner is indeed the one requesting deletion, so it's crucial to check the email linked to your Miro account. Head over to your email inbox. You should see a new email from Miro. If you don't see it immediately, be sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case it ended up there. Open that email, and within it, you'll find a confirmation link. Before clicking the link, ensure that you are still logged in to your Miro account. This is essential because the link will only function properly if you are logged in. Once confirmed, click on the confirmation link in the email. This will finalize the deletion process and effectively remove your profile from Miro. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Miro account. Remember, this action is permanent, and you will lose access to any boards or data associated with your account. Always make sure this is what you really want before confirming the deletion. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, please consider checking out our other tutorials for more tech tips and advice.